Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to disable the default video autoplaying feature on Facebook if you're using a PC with the new update. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're on the main page, look for your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. Next, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy from the options available. Then, click on Settings to enter the settings page. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Preferences and select the option for Media. This will bring up the Media Preferences settings. Within the Media Preferences settings, locate the section for Autoplay Videos. Click on the toggle switch next to it to turn off the autoplay feature. You should see a selection box where you can choose to turn it off completely. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can disable the default video autoplaying feature on Facebook on your PC. This will help you have more control over your browsing experience and save on data usage. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically check your settings to make sure they align with your preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.